YouTube has introduced a new feature that allows creators to self-label their videos when they contain AI-generated or synthetic material. If you are with me, then like and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. YouTube detailed its AI-generated content policy in November, creating strict rules for music labels and looser guidelines for everyone else. If you're an average person being deepfaked on YouTube, it could be challenging to get the content removed. YouTube is working on an updated privacy process. The feature relies on the honor system, requiring creators to be honest about the content in their videos. However, YouTube may add AI disclosure labels to videos if necessary. With this new feature, YouTube aims to provide transparency and clarity for viewers, especially for sensitive topics like health, elections, and finance. Uploading process. The checkbox appears in the uploading and posting process, requiring creators to disclose any content that seems realistic but has been altered or generated by AI. This includes making a real person say or do something they didn't, altering footage of real events, or creating realistic-looking scenes that didn't actually happen. However, disclosures won't be required for beauty filters, special effects like background blur, or clearly unrealistic content such as animation. Stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching.